stuffy air, allergies, and odors? Meet the MORENTO Air Purifier. Your home's breath of fresh air. Ever walk into a room and feel like you're breathing in a cloud of dust, pet dander, and mystery odors? Maybe your allergies are flaring up, or your home never quite smells fresh, no matter how much you clean. Pollutants, smoke, and airborne nasties are lurking in your air, making every breath a gamble. You deserve cleaner, healthier air, but bulky, noisy purifiers don't cut it, or worse, they require constant filter replacements that drain your wallet. If only there were a smarter, more powerful solution that didn't require a NASA-level budget to operate. You've tried candles, air fresheners, and even cracked open a window, nothing works. Cheap air purifiers claim to clean but leave you questioning if they're doing anything at all. Then you find the MORENTO MR5866, a game-changing air purifier built for large spaces up to 1,690 square feet, with dual-sided air intake for twice the purification power. It's got a real-time air quality monitor, so you can see the problem and watch it disappear. Could this be the air cleaning hero you've been searching for? You set up the MORENTO in minutes, connect it to the HEPA app, and watch as it analyzes your air in real time. Dust, pollen, pet hair, smoke, it's all getting trapped in the HEPA filtration system, removing 99.97% of airborne nasties. The auto mode kicks in, adjusting fan speed based on pollution levels, and in no time, you're breathing easier, fresher, cleaner air. Even better? It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, meaning you can control it with just your voice, because fighting allergens shouldn't feel like a second job. Nighttime arrives, and you wonder, will it keep you up all night with an annoying hum? Nope. With sleep mode running at just 23 decibels, it's quieter than a whisper. Need total darkness? Simply turn off the display light via the app. Plus, its energy-efficient design means you can run it continuously without worrying about a sky-high electricity bill. And unlike other purifiers, the MORENTO's long-lasting HEPA filters mean you're not shelling out cash every few months just to keep it running. Finally, the stuffy air is gone. Your allergies? Way better. Lingering pet odors? A thing of the past. Guests walk in and comment on how fresh your home feels. You're no longer just getting by, you're actually enjoying the air you breathe. The quest for the perfect air purifier is over. MORENTO MR5866 isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer for your health, your home, and your peace of mind. Click Add to Cart now and experience the difference yourself.